Hello and welcome back, guys. And before we get into this, I want you guys to subscribe right now, and I'm going to give you a couple seconds to subscribe. So hit that red button and the post notification button too. Hit it. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Thank you. So now let's get straight into the video. Basically today I'm going to teach you guys how to get Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop 2020 edition. So what you want to do is, first of all, I'll leave a link down below in the description. You click the link and it will take you to this page, and then from there you click download, and then this shouldn't pop up. Once you click download, in the bottom left hand corner it should start downloading a compressed file. And once that is done, what you want to do is open it up, and once you do open it up, it should look like this. And once that's opened up, you want to click that, and then click that, and then hit the setup. And once you hit the setup button, you should be presented with a, let me just show you guys what you're presented with. You should be presented with the setup option. You click yes, and then boom, you're presented with a Photoshop 2020 installer, and you can choose your file, whatever. And once you've done all of that, I'll open up the program for you. This is a shortcut, and boom, so there you go. It's loading up. Any minute now. And there you go, guys. 2020 Adobe Photoshop, completely free. And yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and have a lovely ass day.